Hey friends, who's hungry? Are you a taco lover? Then you must try these crispy fried catfish tacos topped with a zesty black bean salsa and creamy avocado sauce. In a medium mixing bowl, combine 1 cup of flour, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, half a teaspoon of cumin, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Add 1 cup of beer and stir until combined. Let the batter set for about 30 minutes. In the meantime, coat 2 pounds of cut catfish fillets in half a cup of flour. Add the floured catfish pieces to the beer batter and stir until the catfish is thoroughly coated with the batter. Add about 2 inches of oil to a large skillet. Heat the oil over medium-high heat until it reaches 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Lower the heat to medium to maintain the temperature. Add the battered catfish pieces to the hot oil. Fry for 2 minutes, then flip and fry for an additional 2 minutes until the catfish is golden brown on all sides. Remove the fried catfish from the hot oil and drain on paper towels. Now let's make some toppings. Scoop out 1 avocado into the bowl of a blender or food processor. Add 2 tablespoons of buttermilk, 1 tablespoon of sour cream, and the juice of half a fresh lime. Process until the ingredients are smooth. Season the sauce with salt and pepper to taste. Finally, wash 1 bunch of fresh cilantro and remove the stems. Roughly chop 4 Roma tomatoes and 1 medium onion. Place the cilantro, tomatoes, and onion in the bowl of a food processor. Pulse until the ingredients are slightly chunky and well combined. You can also chop everything by hand. Transfer the mixture to a medium mixing bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 15-ounce can of drained black beans, and 1 15-ounce can of drained whole kernel corn. Season the salsa with salt and pepper to taste. Place 3 to 4 pieces of catfish in the center of a warm tortilla. Spoon the salsa over the top of the fish and drizzle with the avocado sauce. Looking for more recipes? Watch my next video and be sure to subscribe to my channel.